Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create SFX, sound effects using ElevenLabs Text tool, okay, which is amazing actually. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to ElevenLabs in Google and you need to go to the first result. Okay, now we're going to click on go to app and now you just want to click on as sound effects, okay, which is the result here. Now, what this is going to allow you to do basically is to create sound effects with a description, okay, with a prompt. And this is amazing actually, okay, because this is going to create a variety of things and you don't have to be looking for these sound effects in, web page or in stock pages such as Envato, such as Film Array, and so on and so on. This is going to allow you to create them automatically. Now, I'm actually going to explain to you the kind of settings that you should use. Now, I find that if you actually, well, first of all, let's actually go through the settings, okay? This is going to be the duration of the sound effect, which is automatically set to 8 seconds, okay? But you can decrease it, increase it, up to you, or you can set it to auto, okay? And this is going to be basically like the prompt's influence or the prompt adherence to what you actually asked for, okay? Now, here's the trick, okay? If you're actually trying to do something very simple or you have like a very short prompt or a very short description, you should keep this to as low as possible. I'm talking about 30 to 20 to 20%, okay? This is going to make sure that actually ElevenLabs, kind of fills in the gaps of your description and creates the best possible effects. Now, if you, however, have a very complex prompt, okay, we can say horses galloping by in the forest, there is background, rain, noise going on, for example, the birds are whistling, whatever, you can make it very, very complex. You should increase this to about, 50 to 60%, but no more than that, okay? Because you really want to make sure that ElevenLabs does its magic and kind of fills in the gaps of your prompt, okay? So I actually recommend that you keep it simple, okay? Horses and galloping by, and that you reduce the prompt to about 30% or 20% even, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it to 30 now, and I'm gonna click on generate, okay? And let's see what happens. It's gonna take some seconds. As you can see, I have multiple that I actually did before. I have one with 30, one with 70, and now it's creating the one that I just mentioned to you, which is this one here. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here it is. Okay, and we can play it. We're actually going to get 4 different samples. We can play them or download them, okay? Let's actually play number 3. Pretty good. So you can see it sounds pretty natural, okay? And you can download it, okay? Which is amazing, and you can use it for your videos, okay? Thank you so much, guys.